I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open command prompt and run where Python to check if executable is found. This command shows any Python exe locations on your path. If no result appears, Python is likely not on your path or not installed. Check add or remove programs to confirm Python installation and version. Look for specific entries such as Python 3.11 or Python 3.10 in the list. Note the install folder path shown by the installer or the registry. Run the Python installer again and select Add Python to path during setup. The installer option ensures Python exe and pip are accessible from any terminal, or manually add the folder containing Python exe to the user path environment variable via system properties. For example, add c /users /u /appdata /local /programs /python 311 to path. After editing path, use the py launcher by running py-3.11 or py-3 to invoke installed versions. The py command can select interpreters even when Python is not on path. Create a virtual environment with Python mvenv to ensure consistent interpreter access for projects. Activate the environment and use Python inside it to verify behavior. If issues persist, uninstall Python, download the official installer, and reinstall with the Add Python to path option enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.